Greetings, brothers and sisters. 𝐬𝐨 here from 𝐸2live.NotToDie.com. The herbs are the truth, and the truth never dies, and the truth never gets old. So, it's getting cold. So I'm here to teach you how to protect your immune system so you can fight the flu, the fever, the common cold, and any respiratory issues. So everyone makes tea in their own way, and I'm gonna show you my way. There is no wrong way to make this tea. Just do it in the way in which that you feel comfortable with, or whichever way that you've learned. But this is the way I do it. So the first thing I do is put all my ingredients into a separate cup, and then I transfer it over to the cup I will be drinking the tea in. I'll show you. So we want 1 tablespoon of the mullein. We want 1 tablespoon of the sarsaparilla. We want 1 tablespoon of the elderberries. So now I'm gonna pour 500 ml of boiling spring water over my herbs. I'm gonna give it a stir now and let it steep for 15 minutes. Now that it's finished steeping, I'm going to separate the herbs from the minerals or the liquid essence. Don't throw the herbs away. You can pour hot water into it again and use it before you go to bed. What I also like to do is pour 2 shots of the 𝐥𝐤𝐤 into the tea. And that is how you prepare the Winter Defender. And this remedy is for everyone, including children. All the products used in this video is available at 𝐸2live.NotToDie.com and in store. Use discount code 𝑦𝐷1 to get 30% off. Love.